By the end of this video, you're going to know 7 hacks that only the pros know at Disney. They're going to help you save time, money, and more importantly, help you have the best time ever at Disney with your family. Whether you're a Disney enthusiast with numerous visits under your belt or a first-time visitor, incorporating and following these tips will elevate your Disney experience. But I will warn you, make sure you don't miss out on the last hack. That hack could have the most impact on your Disney World experience. Hack number 1 is maximizing magic with crowd and refurbishment calendars. With so much to do and see at Disney, it's crucial to choose the best time of year to visit. By utilizing Disney crowd calendars and Disney refurbishment calendars, you can strategically plan your trip for maximum enjoyment and minimum hassle. By understanding crowd patterns using Disney crowd calendars, you'll be able to plan your days efficiently and spend more time making magical memories. These calendars are based on past attendance, and you can tell what days have typically lower crowds and what day higher crowds are expected. Well, they're not crystal balls. These calendars provide invaluable insights to help you avoid super crowded times that may dampen your Disney experience. Disney refurbishment calendars can play a pivotal role in your trip planning. Knowing which rides or attractions may be temporarily closed for maintenance ensures you won't miss out on any must-do experiences. It's no fun when you go to your must-do ride and you find it's closed for the duration of your trip. For some, this can be a deal breaker for booking your trip. With the calendar, you may find that it has a short refurbishment and you can adjust your stay a few days to have your must-do rides open again. So stay one step ahead by checking the refurbishment schedule before you book your stay. But that's nothing compared to hack number 2. Hack number 2 is getting to the park early, or rope drop. The early bird catches the worm, or in this case, the magic. Imagine having the Magic Kingdom all to yourself with little to no lines for all the best rides. Walk-ons become a reality. Walk onto the Seven Dwarfs Mine Train. You think you're dreaming? It's not a dream. It's a reality for those who rise with the sun. Arriving early allows you to experience the park at its most serene before the hustle and bustle of the day begins. It's also a great way to beat the Florida heat, as mornings tend to be cooler. Not a morning person? I get it. Trust me, I am so not a morning person. But with Disney, it's worth the early wake-up call. You'll have a chance to ride your favorite attractions several times before others have even had their first cup of coffee. So set that alarm because the magic starts bright and early. Before I dive into hack number 3, I have a bonus hack for you. But in return, I need you to hit that subscribe and notification button to stay in the loop for the latest hacks, information, and all the Disney fun coming your way. Your bonus hack is to use single rider line. Take advantage of the single rider lines for attractions that offer them. This can significantly reduce your wait time. You'll probably get split up from your party as they are filling in the single spot. But many times you do get on the same car or the same time as your party. You may think, I have kids, I can't ride alone. It is actually a great way to parent swap. This is where one parent stays with the kids and the other parent enjoys the ride. Then the other parent stays with the kids and the parent that didn't go on goes on the ride. And watching the kids can give you some much needed downtime within your busy Disney day. Back to our normally scheduled hacks. Curious on what our next hack is? Okay, hack number 3 is stacking rides. Be smart with your Genie Plus and stack rides. Genie Plus is an added cost, but it is a service that lets you go through lightning lanes. Lightning lanes allow you to skip the long lines for your favorite attraction. Stacking is used with Genie Plus that involves planning and reserving lightning lanes access for attractions later in the day. The goal is to accumulate Genie Plus return times later in the afternoon or evening, allowing you to navigate the park with minimal wait times during these hours. So how does stacking work? On Genie Plus, you book your reservations throughout the day. You make Genie Plus reservations for various attractions, creating a list of rides that you have scheduled. Instead of using these these rides immediately, you build a stack of reservations that you can redeem later in the day. As the day progresses, you start redeeming these reservations during the chosen times. This allows you to experience attractions with shorter wait times. There are over 40 attractions that you can stack. Another bonus hack: get one person in your party to do all the planning. My sister is a pro at stacking rides. This way you can optimize your Disney World journey to the fullest. So plan your ride times strategically with Genie Plus and Lightning Lane. Are you ready for a blend of fun and savings? Hack number 4, take advantage of freebies. Who doesn't love freebies? It's a Disney secret too good to ignore. Are you celebrating an occasion? Grab a celebration button at the guest services for that extra bit of Disney magic. If you do grab a birthday button, you will probably get cast members and other guests wishing you a happy birthday. You can get a first time button or a button where you can write in what you're celebrating. These buttons are free and they make great memories. You can ask for free tap water at any quick serve restaurant. This is a cool way to stay hydrated. Disney World can get hot, so staying hydrated is super important. If you go to Epcot, look for Club Cool. It is a cool club that you can get free samples of sodas from around the world. Club Cool is so cool. Get it? And don't forget the parades are free to watch, offering a spectacular display of Disney enchantment. I'm not sure if I should count the shows and parades as free as they are part of your ticket. Okay, you can stop by Bibbidi Bobbidi Boutique and get some hair glitter. If you get a boo-boo, you can stop by the First Aid and get a free Band-Aid. Have a photo pass photographer take your picture using your own phone or camera. You could get free maps of the park. There are so many other freebies at Disney World. You just need to find them. Freebies are fun and they totally enhance the Disney magic. Next, we uncover hack number 5, so brace yourself for an immersive hack. Get ready to have a great time with Genie Plus. Make the most of the Disney app. I talked a bit about Genie Plus and stacking rides, but Genie Plus does much more than that. It's like having a personal Disney guide in your pocket. With real-time waits, you can beat the queues and spend more time enjoying the magic. You want a selfie with Donald Duck? The app shows character locations. Fancy a churro or a quick-serve lunch? No problem. You can place mobile food orders. Do you want to have a sit-down dinner but didn't make the reservations? With Genie Plus, you can see what restaurants have availability. It's all just a touch away. When in long lines, you can snap selfies with different characters and effects using the Disney Photo Pass lens. Check the tip board and don't forget you can test out Disney Play. Disney Plus is truly worth looking at all the options and using it during your Disney day. So keep your Disney day at your fingertips with the app. Ready for a hack that you may not be expecting to hear? Hack number 5. Hack number 5 is a surprising favorite. Take a midday break. Now, I know what you're thinking. I can't possibly take a break. There's so much to do. But trust me on this one. The beauty of a midday break is twofold. First, it allows you to escape the peak sunshine hours, which let's face it, it's Orlando. It can be scorching hot. You don't want to be standing in line under the hot sun. Second, it gives you a chance to recharge your batteries. Disney World is a marathon, not a sprint. You'll find with a little rest in the middle of the day can make a world of difference for the second half of your adventure. You'll be refreshed, re-energized, and ready to take on the magical world of Disney once more. So take a break, recharge, and come back for more Disney fun. You could go back to your hotel. You could jump into the pool. You could sit and relax somewhere. You could have a meal. One of my secrets for just relaxing in the middle of the day is jumping on the train and doing a few loops around the park while I people watch. You should try it. Okay, hack number 6 is a must. Hack number 6 is crowd control. So go against the crowds and ride during parades, fireworks, the shows. A day at Disney World is an awesome experience, but the people can sometimes throw a curveball. It's essential to strategize your day. Remember, most people will be busy watching parades, fireworks, and shows, so that's your cue to head to the rides. This is a smart move that can take a long way into an almost immediate ride. ride. So plan your ride during the show times. They're easy to schedule and you can save your Disney day from becoming a long wait. I'll give you an extra hack for planning your rides during a parade. Make sure you are in the area you want to plan your rides. The parades get very crowded, and if you're at the Pirates of the Caribbean in the Magic Kingdom and you want to ride Big Thunder Mountain during the parade, you're going to have a hard time getting there as you would have to go across the parade route. Trust me, I am a big skip the parade person and go on the ride and have been stuck on the wrong side of the parade a few times. This is one hack I learned the hard way. Now it's time for our most important hack. Hack number 7, stay late. Now you might be thinking, I've already had a long day and my feet are killing me. But remember, the magic of Disney truly comes alive when the sun sets. The weather cools down, making it a perfect time to stroll around and soak in the ambience. You'll get a chance to enjoy the stunning shows, which are spectacular in themselves. The sight of fireworks illuminating the night sky over the castle is something you don't want to miss. You see, not only do the lights of Cinderella's castle become even more enchanting, but the line for popular rides significantly shorten as well. When you stay late, the parks tend to get less crowded. Rides that had super long wait times have much shorter lines and you will be able to walk onto them. Imagine hopping onto Space Mountain with just a 5-minute wait. If you stay until closing and you are in a line, even if the park closes, you will get to ride that ride. This is a great hack if you want to go on a ride, but the line was just too long all day. Another benefit of staying late is shop till you drop at closing time. Now, this may sound counterintuitive, but it's a pro tip to maximize your Disney day. By shopping at closing time, you sidestep the daytime rush and avoid lugging big bags of merchandise all day. It allows you to focus on the magic, the rides, the characters without the encumbrance of shopping bags. So save the shopping for last and make the most of your Disney day. So be a night owl and enjoy the magic of Disney after dark. That's it. Use these 7 hacks and you will have the best time ever. And if you want to know how to go to Disney World for cheap and have tons of fun, check out this video here.